Hey guys, my name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path, and today I'm coming at you from Cindy's Crafts in Johnson City, Tennessee. Cindy opened Cindy's Crafts in 1989, and she has a fabulous variety of beads and findings and books. I mean, you could spend hours going through this store. I had a little conversation with Cindy, and her favorite bead she carries in the store is a Super Duo bead, and her favorite stitch is brick stitch, which, you know me, I love some brick stitch. The great thing about Cindy's Crafts is she goes above and beyond to special order items, so if she doesn't have it, she's happy to special order it for you. Here at Cindy's, she has classes every other week, and they have a UFO party that they host once a month here in their store. So let's take a look around. All right, guys, this is truly a seed beater's paradise. She has all sorts of beautiful seed beads here on the wall. So Cindy has a wide range of beads. You can see there is bricks, cheops, bars, lentils, crescents, mini duos, super duos, diamond duos, check tiles, beams, 2-hole cabs, gem duos, Cali beads, triangles, silkies, honeycombs, Tilas, paisleys, and many more down the line of 2-hole beads. Okay, so I have never seen such an amazing assortment of books at a bead store. I mean, I was literally speechless and blown away when I seen all of the bead books that Cindy has here in her store. I mean, if she doesn't have it, I don't think they make it. And she has an extensive inventory of back issues of magazines. And then I'm gonna come into this little cubby, and there are even more bead books in the cubby. It is astounding. Cindy has been in business for over 30 years, so she has accumulated quite an array of books. Enjoyed getting a sneak peek and a look at Cindy's Crafts here in Johnson City, Tennessee. You can check Cindy out 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 10 to 6. So make sure if you are traveling through the state of Tennessee that you make a special stop at Cindy's Crafts here in Johnson City. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!